MySQL. It is free and open source structured query language. Installation setup on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Google search box lo MySQL download. Enter. Enter key press. MySQL developer June. Download MySQL installer. First link click. MySQL installer latest version 8.0.44. Related first one option. Select version. Right side down arrow click. Old version and latest version. Display. First one. Select. Next select operating system. Microsoft Windows. Default set. This is web community. Second one, Windows x86.32-bit MSI installer. Second one is Community Edition. File size 558.3 MB. Blue color button. Download. Click. MySQL Community. Login now or sign up for a free account. Present unnecessary. Bottom side. No thanks. Just start my downloads option. Click. Download section లో MySQL installer community latest version 8.0.44.0 MSI file downloading process start. Wait and here downloading process completing. Downloading process completed. Next installation setup process. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo MSI file display. Select mouse double click. Preparing to install. MySQL install window lo please wait while Windows configuration. MSI window lo first button yes click. MySQL installer. MySQL installer launch.exe window lo first button yes click. Download folder minimize. MySQL installer window lo choosing a setup type. 4 options display. Fourth one custom. Select left side circle tick mark set. First button next click. Select products section lo 2 options display. First one allowable products lo MySQL server. Left side expand icon click. Expand icon click. Expand icon click. Third one option MySQL server latest version 8.0.44-x64. Third one select middle section lo green color button click. Selected option installed window lo display. Next second one applications left side expand icon click. Expand icon click. Expand icon re-click. Third one option MySQL Workbench 8.0.44-x64. Third option select middle section lo first one green color icon click. Right side window lo display. Third one MySQL shell left side expand icon click. First one option SQL shell 8.0 left side re-click expand icon. Third one MySQL shell 8.0.44-x64 option select middle section lo first one green color arrow click. Application related 3 options display. Second button next click. Installation section lo the following products will be installed. Bottom section lo second button execute click. Each one step by step installing process start. First one complete, second one installing. Installation complete status lo display. Third one MySQL shell installing process start. Progress section lo 82% completed. Related installation details bottom side show details button click. All supporting files display in box. Third one complete status lo display. Bottom side second button next click. Product configuration will develop MySQL server status ready to configure. First button next click. type and networking, config type, development computer, connectivity, IP and port and protocol port, all options default, tick mark set, first button, next click. Authentication method, default, first option, left side circular tick mark set, use strong password encrypt for authentication, recommended. Second button, next click. Accounts and rules window, root account password. First one, MySQL root password. Any one password enter. As its same second option. Repeat password. Box mouse left click. Enter the same password. Second button next click. Windows service section lo Windows service name MySQL 8.0. Remove. Enter the name Charitech. Second one, standard system account. Left side default circle tick mark set. Second one, next click. Server file permission. Default path display. Local disk C. Program data. MySQL directory. MySQL server 8.0 data. Directory display. Second button, next click. Apply configuration. Default all options display. Second button, execute. Click. Wait and here few minutes. The configuration for MySQL server was successful. Click to finish to continue. Finish button click. Product configuration section lo product and status configuration complete. First button, next click. Installation complete. The installation procedure has been completed. Two options. First one, Workbench. Second one, Shell. Options tick mark set. Present run these two applications. Bottom side, finish button, click. First one, Shell. Welcome to MySQL Workbench. Window maximize, minimize. MySQL Shell minimize. File Explorer document reopen. Left side this PC option select. First one, new volume C, select open. Program files directory, select open. MySQL directory, select open. First one, MySQL server 8.0, select open. First folder, bin, select open. Top section lo address bar, mouse left click. Copy this path, mouse right click. Second option, copy click. Folder minimize. Desktop Windows search box lo enter env. First option, edit the system environment variables. And select system properties window lo last button, environment variable button click. Second option, system variable section lo path select. Second button, edit click. Right side, first button, new click. Mouse right click, paste option select. First button, OK click and OK click and OK click. Desktop Windows search box CMD enter. First option, command prompt select. Enter the MySQL command. MySQL space -u space root space -p. Enter key press. Enter password. Enter key press. First one, show space databases semicolon. Enter key press. Database related table display. 4 rows in the set. Enter the new create database. Create space database space. Enter the name anyone. Charitech. Enter key press. Re-enter same command. Show space databases semicolon. Enter key press. Created database table display. Name Charitech info. Minimize MySQL connection window. Set up new connection. Connection name enter. Charitech. OK button click. Charitech display select. Connected to MySQL server. Enter the password. Present unnecessary. First button. OK click.